you can see I just did this one trade you see there. Sometimes the market only give you one opportunity, but we won that trade, as you can see. So if you want to join and copy what I'm doing, below you find a link to my Telegram and WhatsApp. It's completely free. But if you want to see my screen where I'm trading Forex and binary option live, there's a link below the video for that also, okay? And lastly, if you want to use the same binary option broker you see me using here, just use the link you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also, you find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on this bell notification, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Now let's see if we can find some trading opportunities. I like to just start with the one to the right here. Now let's see. What I'm looking for is a place where we see the market many times is not managing to break. We can see one here. So if we can come up to this line here, we will take a trade. While we are waiting, we can start to make our line of defense. What that means with that is an area, if we do lose the first, we can go in again. So let's see. Looks to be around up there. So if we lose this one here, we are then going in again here, and the next line of defense would be up around here. I don't think we will break all these three. Sorry. So now let's see what we can do. So the first one, if we come up to this red line here, we will then take a down trade. I will not set up anything below because we can't make any line of defense in the bottom. So we are only looking for sell opportunities. So now let's see. Now we just patiently need to wait to see if we can come up to this red line here. If we do so, we will take a down trade. Hopefully we can get at least one trade here today. Like I said, I can't predict the market. I can't make us get trades. So we just need a bar that come up to this red line and we are golden. But we see also we have some type of resistance in this region here. So he need to break through that to come up to our line. This area is not a place where I would like to trade, but I want to trade up here. Because we see that here we come up, here we did, here we did, here we did, here we did, here and here. So we see that this line is pretty strong. Okay. So now let's just wait and see. We see that we have some type of trend line going upwards. So probably we'll come up to this line. So let's wait and see. If we break below here, I will start to look for another pair. Okay, we'll start to look for another one. We broke a little while long down. We will not trade this one, but we will trade this one. This is actually the one from the session today. So, but you see this very long time we have not come up, so let's take another one. No, we will not try that. Let's look more. We had a beautiful one here, do you see? Every time we came up to this line, I can mark it for you so you can see. Here you had a beautiful sell line. Do you see all these opportunities you had? All over here and even here. Of course, finally he did break, but still, that was a beautiful area to trade a long time. Now I'm looking for if we have more opportunities here. Probably we maybe have something around here. Let me see. Sometimes I need to check in the past to see if we have something. I want to see if we go one more time up there, maybe we have something. It's not so beautiful, but it's something. Let's take it to the 30. If we come up there, maybe I'll take it. Let's see. Let's see. No, he wants to go down. So this is how basically a day looks like for me. Here we have something. Let's mark it. We have one here. Let's turn it green. And 30 seconds. Let's see if we can come a little more down, we take it. We are ready to go in, and we are in there. Now looks like he's breaking. That's good for the video if you do so. Then the next protection line, I would say, would be around down here. Let's take a line there. There. Let's remove this line here. Good for the video that we lost this one. It's not lost yet, but probably we will. Yes. Then we take a 200. Looks like was a fake out, but that means we can trade this one again, or we can take a sell trade up around here. Now I just need to see. I will not trade on this line right away. I want to see that he come down one time to see if this line is somehow valid. If we start to break it again, let's see. He break it again, looks like. That's why I'm not trading this line now. That's why I'm patiently waiting to see what will happen first. And probably we move our line down there. Let's see now. Yeah, I think we do that. So if you come down to this line, I will go in the double. You see, I needed to move it a little just to make sure. Or we take the one up here. We are good with both of these two options. So now let's patiently just wait. I don't take it yet. That's it. So this is a safe ways of using martingale. So if you just can come down the line again, we will take it. Let's see. And sometimes the market doesn't want to do what you want it to do, but we are waiting. So now let's see. We need to patiently wait. Still not trade. There we are in. We are in there. The next would be 400 if we lose that one. I don't think this one I think will win. Now let's see. Now we need just to wait. We see that this area is very strong, so I'm pretty happy with this entry. Now we just need to wait the 30 seconds and collect all our money. Let's see. And somehow we lost that one also. We take one there because we see the spike go down to that region. Now let's wait and see. Now we just need to wait again. 30 seconds. And we won. So there we have it. Now let's take the calculation of our trade. So we used a total of 4, 5, 6, 700. So that means we made $68 profit. So there you have it. The reason for the last trade, you can see, I basically just see the spike here. So probably I should have taken the line down to the last spike to make that the entry. And in that way, we would have lost one less trade. Okay. So sometimes you just edit the lines when you have it. And also if I lost one more time, the next area of interest here will be down here, and we would have martingale on this line. But you see, we got only 2 losses. That is completely fine with me. So always make a little room for at least 3-4 martingale. Probably you will never use more than that. But make so you have room in your account, so you have possibilities to do this type of things. So that's it for this video. Once again, that is how I'm trading. I have done it for a very long time. This account I have built up from $100, so yes, it is working. So with that, have an amazing day.